My mother-in-law said real women should know how to make their own homemade pasta sauce.
That's pasta sauce?
So I'm making this for her.
Oh, Lord, no. No. Okay. Okay. So you hate your mother-in-law that much? Oh my God, look at all the grass and stuff. Well, not even grass, gravel and stuff going in. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, this definitely gotta be just for views, cause ain't no way. Oh my God. Mother-in-law, if you watching this, don't eat it. Now you see how she made that sauce just for you. Don't do it.